Hello, this video is about how to disable or enable the Draw and Developer tab on Microsoft Excel. First, you will have to click on File, then you will click on Options on the left side, and then this tab will appear, Excel Options. On the left hand side, you will click on Customize ribbon, and then you will see these two columns. On the left side, I have one column, and on the right side, I have another column. On the right side, I can see several tabs which are marked like Home, Insert, Draw, Page Layout, Formulas, and there are two more tabs, Draw and Developer. If I'll tick on these ones, they will appear on the front page. If I'll disable both of these, they will disappear from the main tab of Microsoft Excel, just like this. See, the Draw tab and Developer tab, they are not here right now. And if I want to enable these tabs again, I'll go to File, Options, Customize ribbon, and then I'll click on Draw and Developer. And when I'll press OK, these two tabs will appear over here, Draw and Developer. Thank you.